Welcome back to the Headbangers workshop. Today, we're going to be playing with fire. And we're going to be doing something patriotic. That's right. Just like everybody else has, I'm going to be doing an American flag. Except this one is going to not be the modern American flag. It's going to be the Spirit of 76 flag. So, this is only the second time I've made a flag. So, don't take everything I'm doing as gospel. But hope you guys enjoy it. So first of all, I cut the wood to approximate size, 37 inches, and here you see I'm burning, but it's a little windy, so I move on to trying to do it on the ground, and then I try again on by hand, but as you can tell, it's really windy. So I take it downstairs where there's no wind, and it burns. One thing I like about burning wood, kind of cool. Got different spots that will burn differently. It kind of gives it an interesting effect. It's kind of like camouflage in a way. You know how some spots will be different color, will be a darker. Some spots won't even really show unless you really put a torch to it. I think that's kind of what gives it character, and you know, you never are going to have two of the flags exactly the same unless you completely do a charcoal finish on it. So I think that's going to be a white stripe right there. Let's keep going. Here you can see that it's all stained up. I just give it a couple seconds on there and then wipe it off. As you can see, razor blades in there, that's separating the blue from the red. And here in a minute you will see that I'm gonna do a fine clean in right on the razor edge, and then I'll start pulling those razors and we will have a clean line. And here I have it. Stains all done. Stains still drying, so they're not put together too tightly. Next, I will start lining them up and then getting my glue on the back and getting some nails in them to hold it all together so I can start carving. So first of all, I'm putting down some rags so I can put clamps on this. You'll see me properly align it. It takes a little bit of fussing, and then I take my bar clamps and put it on, get it all cinched down so that I can flip it. This is a bit of a hassle, so we'll see how this works. I'm gonna modify this later, this technique. And here's the flip. It was a little heavy, and also that stand that I have it sitting on is not the best stand in the world. Here you go. I'm showing you some salt. I like to use salt on my glue because it makes it so that the pieces do not slide when you glue them down. Here I'm clamping some pieces down. I've already glued it on. That's going to be what holds it together from the back side. And then you're going to see me weigh it down because I have a lot of weight on one side of the board. I then did another repeat on the other side, but I did not get that on camera because, hey, it's a little redundant. Okay, here I have it all laid out. Already pinned everything together. As you can kind of see, hopefully, there is some of the ink marks where I'm going to start carving. I just put a little bit of paper on it just for a little bit of protection. So I got a little grinding action going on, just doing my carving. One thing I noticed, this hurt my back really bad, so I later have built a stand so I can do this kind of work. And here you guys go. I got the final piece here. The only thing I have left to do is hang it. I did a clear coat on it, as you can see. I have everything carved out. One thing I did not show you with the carving out, however, is after I carved it out, I sanded it just to knock any high ends over. So hope you guys like this. Give me any comments, give me thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. So yeah, that's about it. So have a good day, be safe. Got anything to say? Yep.